Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology is a world of technology and innovations. It is a home to creative thinkers and front-running researchers. Our college is a government-funded autonomous institute located in Nanded, Maharashtra. It was founded in the year 1981 with the vision Utkrishta Tantradnyanartham Janashakti Shikshanam, which means education of human power for technological excellence. It was one of the first institutes in Maharashtra state to be granted complete autonomy by the government. With a campus of over 50 acres and state-of-the-art infrastructure, it has been delivering leaders and innovators in the field of science for more than 34 years now. Let us have a look at the beginning years and history of the institute. After establishment in the year 1981, SGGS IENT only had 2 undergraduate courses with a total intake of 120 students. The institute used to share labs with Government Polytechnic College, Nanded.
As time went on, the institute developed a large infrastructure in the outskirts of the city. Progressing exponentially and increasing the number of courses, it quickly became one of the premier institutes in the entire state.
This new campus was inaugurated on 25th September 1983 by Honorable Gyani Zail Singh, the 7th President of India. This marked the beginning of the golden era of higher education in the region of Marathwada.
Soon after the introduction of quite a few new undergraduate and postgraduate programs, SGGS INT was also recognized as a research center by Shri Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University. With each new batch of would-be engineers, we saw a bright future up ahead in the 21st century.
After having a look at the establishment years, this is how the institute looks now. This huge campus was earlier a small collection of classrooms and no labs at all. Now we offer 10 undergraduate courses, 7 postgraduate courses and also award PhD under SRTMU. You won't believe it, but we have a staff of 141, out of which there are 47 PhD holders.
Owing to consistently high standards, up-to-date infrastructures and all-round development, SGGS INT received its autonomy in the year 2004. It was accredited Grade A by the National Board of Accreditation.
Many ongoing researches are funded by premier organizations like the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, World Bank and the Government of India. We also have tie-ups with various institutes like the Indian Institute of Technology and the National Institute of Technology. Let us have a look at the present infrastructure and the departments. This is the admin building, where most of the administrative processes are carried out in sections like student section, exam section and others. This building also contains the director's office, dean offices, site engineer's office and the first year classes. Many gatherings and events are conducted in this very foyer.
This here is the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. It is a university recognized research center since 1995. Under this department, the Lab for Image and Signal Processing is a center of excellence. It is equipped with laboratories for VLSI, DSP, CV and DCN. The Department of Computer Science Engineering shares the Center of Excellence status with Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. It has various labs with the latest softwares and equipments to keep the students in the game of latest technology.
The oldest department alongside Electronics and Telecommunication is the Department of Instrumentation Engineering. It is renowned in the entire state of Maharashtra for its sheer quality and that of its excellent engineers. This department has the best placement records in recent years. The Department of Electrical Engineering is one of the newer race of departments of this institute. This department is very quickly gaining ground to be at par with others in terms of its technical education quality.
The Department of Textile Technology has some of the advanced machinery in the state of Maharashtra for various labs including those for spinning, weaving, knitting, etc.
The Department of Civil and Water Management Engineering is one of its kind in the institute due to its inclusion of various hands-on courses undertaken by this department. It has the Department of Environmental Engineering and also the Physics Department of the institute. This building has a fully automated weather station.
The Department of Production Engineering is one of the oldest departments, and this campus in Vishnupuri was inaugurated by the 7th President of India, Honorable Mr. Gyani Zail Singh, in this very building. This department has many latest heavy machineries, lab tools and implements alongside a dedicated workshop.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering is the newest department, started in the academic year 2012-13. This department has consistently undertaken and excelled in various national and international competitions like Baha and Supra. The Department of Information Technology works in a similar fashion to the Computer Science and Engineering department in terms of academics and co-academic activities. This here is the Department of Chemical Engineering. It was formerly the Department of Sugar Technology but was changed to Chemical Engineering owing to a more comprehensive course introduction.
Now, let us have a look at some co-academic facilities. The institute has a huge library with all the scholastic, co-scholastic and all other kinds of books for the most enthusiastic of readers. There is also an e-library for any material available online. A reading hall for the people who like to read undisturbed. There is also an open-to-all newspaper and magazine stand. The institute also organizes guest lectures, seminars and workshops by experts and foreign language classes for enthusiasts. Providing 24/7 access to the internet, the institute has a central computing facility in the administrative building.
Quite a few students opt for credit transfers in every semester to renowned institutes in Maharashtra. Various internships, in-plant training and industrial visits are planned and executed in different departments of the institute.
What is absolutely necessary for the students' progress is their participation, enthusiasm and interest. What better way to display these than establishing a club?
RNXG, Robotics for Next Generation, is the official robotics club of SGGS IENT. Under RNXG, various workshops, lectures and projects are conducted. MTRIX is a club dedicated to creating awareness about information security and ethical hacking professions. SGGS IENT has a dedicated club for music, dance and other cultural activities. The Innovation Lab is another facility which undertakes ideas from students and aids them to turn these ideas into projects.
The student organization Sankalp conducts various activities creating general social awareness and propagating goodwill throughout the institute. The student group UPSC chapter is where UPSC and MPSC aspirants collectively study, interact and share their knowledge. Research and Development Knowledge Center conducts regular lectures to keep students updated about the latest technology and research fields.
Students from SGGS IENT have always lived up to the expectations and have glorified this institute with their achievements. Various firms like Tata Consultancy Services, Cognizant, Hella Electronics, Larsen & Toubro, Hewlett-Packard and Nvidia recruit a multitude of our students.
Apart from these organizations and clubs, the institute also conducts 4 major events. Pragya is the national level technical fiesta which includes numerous events under different departments and also miscellaneous events. Every year, Pragya comes up with a socio-technical theme to highlight major issues in the country.
Utsav is the institute's cultural event where everyone gets the opportunity to showcase their hidden talents.
Latest entry in this group is Armageddon, conducted under the banner of RNXG, that is Robotics for Next Generation. This is a state-level robotics challenge which focuses on solving social issues using robotics.
The Alumni Meet is the annual gathering of the Silver Jubilee batch where they remember their days and the old memories of this institute are cherished. Very nostalgic indeed. As would-be engineers, only the necessary facilities are not enough. So the institute also provides some general amenities to ease the campus life a little. The institute provides a regular conveyance to the locals in the form of a fleet of 7 buses covering the entire city. The institute has a large hostel with mess facility for most boys and all the girls from outside Nanded. A new and larger hostel for boys is currently under construction.
There is a large sports arena which includes a football ground, a basketball court, a lawn tennis court and a table tennis hall and a gymnasium. This campus offers a free wireless fidelity service to all. There is purified and cold water available all over the campus. We also have canteen, dispensary, ATM and a stationery shop inside the campus. We at SGGS IENT firmly believe in the idea of clean and green campus and we actively work towards maintaining that.
This institute has a very high standard set by its alumni, staff and students. Every single person in the campus works incessantly towards becoming a better citizen so as to benefit themselves, the institute, the country, and the entire world. And we do so with a clear vision. Here at SGGS IENT, we all see a bright future up ahead on the road.